Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Now in a bid to show you guys how to make DIY projects. This is one of them. This is a fabric hand fan, and you guys are going to enjoy it, I promise. Now let's get our intro in and do what? Stitch up. So guys, for this we're going to be needing interfacing, our scissors, ruler, measuring tape, fabric chalk, our fabric itself, pins, everything you need, guys. So that's what we're going to be needing. And again, we're going to be needing straw board. So we're going to be using it for the handles of this particular fan. So it's called straw board. It's like a hard cardboard. Now for this straw board, you're going to be cutting out about 10 inches long by 1 inch wide pieces, so you need 2 pieces. And now for the cover of this straw board, I'm going to cut out a piece that is 3 inches wide by about 11 inches, 2 pieces, and you're going to fold it right sides facing each other, sew it on one of the small edges and the long edge using half an inch seam allowance. Now you're also going to cut out interfacing of 39 inches by 5 inches, and then your fabric is going to be 39 inches by 11 inches. Now you're going to iron your interfacing to the fabric just like I've done right here. You're going to put it down from the edge here and just iron it right there. Now when you're done ironing your interfacing to your fabric, you're now going to fold it wrong sides facing wrong side. So the way I'm doing it right here, just fold it so that the interfacing is covered. So just like I've done right here, cover it up. So now once it's folded, you're going to have 1 inch excess on one edge. So the edge where there is no interfacing, you're going to have 1 inch excess. Now with this 1 inch excess, we're going to fold it twice. So you're folding it once, and the second time will be covering the raw edge of the interfacing side. So can you guys see what I'm doing right here? You're folding it twice. So once you fold it, just spin it just like I'm doing right here, cover everything, and then sew everything down. So you're going to sew it using a straight stitch from the beginning to the end. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show. Now can you guys see what it looks like? I have sewn it and it's so neat, so clean on the front and the back. Now I've also sewn the handle, casing basically, and then I'm going to flip it to the other side. So turn it inside out and then just insert your pieces into it. And once you're done, you're going to place the part where we have the excess so that we can hide the raw edge. You're going to place it on your fabric. So just place it like that on your fabric, and then to hide the raw edges of your main piece, we're now going to fold it twice. So just like this, what I'm doing. And now I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to glue it right there. So the way I demonstrated it right now, I'm going to glue one side of my piece. So I've put the glue right here again, and I'm going to just cover it up with the edge. While that is becoming dry, I'm going to do it for the other side again. So I'm going to place it on the edge like I did before, put my glue, spread it out, and then flip it. So guys, can you see what I'm doing right here? Flip it over and then put glue again and cover it right there. So now this other side has had time to dry. Now I'm going to flip it again and put another glue right there so that it can hide all the raw edges. So just do basically what I'm doing right here for the 2 handles. Now that I've let them dry, I'm now going to pick it up and then start folding it in a zigzag manner. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. In a zigzag manner, just fold it the way I'm doing it right here. Using the size of the handle, just continue folding it like that. So zigzag, zigzag, zigzag till you get to the end. And once you get to the end, you're going to take your needle and thread and sew it all around just like this. So you're going to be going inside one after the other, and then you're going to sew it all around and at the center. So this is what I did. I just started going from inside. I continued going out just like that. So guys, with this you need to be really really patient. Like the release can be 100. So be really patient. So I'm just going to sew it round, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after I'm done. And here I have sewn it all around. Wow, it's actually looking, beautiful already. And now for the reveal, this is what our fan looks like. Now we're practically done. So this is what our fan looks like. It's so pretty. Wow, it's so pretty. It now looks like I actually planned how the design came out. Now I'm going to use a Velcro piece to create that fastening that we need for this particular hand fan. And I'm just going to measure about 2 inches or 1.5 inches depending on how long you want it to be. And I'm just going to cut out 2 pieces. So I'm going to use one on one side and one on the other side, because when I close it I want it to close, and when I open it I want it to be closed as well. So once I cut it out, I'm going to use my glue and I'm going to glue it to each side. And then once I'm done putting it on all 4 sides, I'm now going to leave it to dry. So guys, I have left this for a long time, and now this is how it looks like when it's closed. Can you guys see it's no more opening up? So it's actually really cute. I actually love it. It actually turned out so nice. So nice. I love this DIY project. If you guys recreate it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'm always ready to showcase what you guys make. And then if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, join the family. I'm always excited to have more people in this family, in this community. Like this video, comment in the comment section what you would like me to make. I would love to work with your ideas. Share this video as well within and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.